Hey kindergarten boys and girls, it's time for 1, 2, 3 for kids, where kindergarten kids learn to write and read numbers. Parents, guardians, please subscribe and allow your kindergarten preschool kids to participate in our alphabet and numbers education activities. We will now learn to count our numbers. Now we will be coloring our numbers. We have here the blue color, the purple color, the burgundy color, pink color, red color, orange color, yellow color, and green color. And we have our numbers. We have here the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, and number 18. Now let us draw the number 1. We learn to write the number 1 and we're using the blue color. Number 1. Number 1. That's the number 1. Now we will do the number 2 and we'll use the purple color for the number 2. Number 2. Here we have the number 2. After number 2 we have the number 3. Let's use the burgundy color for the number 3. These are some nice colors. Number 3. Number 3. What comes after number 3? The number 4. We will do the number 4 and we will be using the pink color. Number 4. Numbers for kids. Kids learning their numbers. The number 4. After number 4, we have the number 5. And we will do our number 5 with the red color. Number 5. And around we go. And we go across. Number 5. Which number comes after the number 5? The number 6. And we will use the orange color for the number 6. Number 6. Number 6. After number 6, we have the number 7. We will use the yellow color for the number 7. Number 7. After number 7 comes number 8. You guys are learning your numbers, and we'll use the color green to do the number 8. Number 8 is like 2 big circles on top of each other. Isn't that right? Two big circles. Number 8. After number 8, we have number 9. And we'll use the blue color for number 9. Number 9, you make a 0 like an O, and then you put a stick on the right side. Number 9. Great. Number 9. Then after number 9, we have number 10. We have 2 numbers that makes up number 10. Can you tell me what numbers are those? It's a 1 and a 0. That makes the number 10. A 1 and a 0. That makes up the number 10. That's the number 10. After number 10, we have number 11. Number 11, we'll use the burgundy color again. Number 11 is like you have both number 1 together, right side by side. That's number 11. Then after number 11, we have number 12. You got that right. And we'll use the pink color to do number 12. Number 12. You guys are doing a great job. Number 12. After number 12, we have number 13. And we will use the red color. Number 13. A 1 and a 3. Number 13. All right, that's great. Number 13. Great job. Then after number 13, we have the number 14, and we'll use the orange color. Number 14. Then we have the number 15. We'll use the yellow color for the number 15. Number 15. After the number 15, we have the number 16. We'll use the green color for the number 16. Number 16. After the number 16, then we have the number 17. The number 17. We'll use the blue color. Number 17. After the number 17, then we have the number 18. That will be our last number. We'll use the purple color for the number 18. number 18. Okay, we got it. Number 18. We have completed our numbers. We have number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's try to count backwards using our numbers 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys are awesome. You guys know your numbers. Let's try and identify a few numbers. This is the number 15. This is the number 13. This is the number 18. This is the number 14. This is the number 17. This is the number 8. This is the number 10. This is the number 12. This is the number 7. This is the number 11. This is the number 9. This is the number 6. This is the number 10. This is the number 1. This is the number 5. This is the number 3. This is the number 4. This is the number 2. You guys are awesome. Please support our channel by subscribing and sharing our videos. You'll help us to continue making more kindergarten kids education videos that will educate your preschool kids and many others. So, click on that subscribe button. Let's make a positive impact in the lives of kids worldwide. Thank you for your support.